Hi everyone, today in front of me I have a HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. First of all, open up the settings tab. In here, go ahead and enter the mobile network category, data usage. And as you can see, each SIM card will have its designated page when you can check the mobile data usage for, well, any of the two SIM cards that you have installed if you have both the SIM card slot occupied. So in here you'll be able to see how much cellular data has been used for the past set period of time, how many bytes or megabytes or gigabytes in particular, just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.